Hey, this is Coach Bill 315, and you might be like me, trying to figure out how to do the Smokies, but you need a permit for it. So let's get right into it. It's actually pretty simple. So first thing, open up your computer. Let's open up Google. I prefer Google, it's just easier. We're gonna type in, let's see, permits for the Smokies. Done. Alright, we're just going to do a general permit, because I'm not a thru-hiker, not yet. Travel all the way down to the bottom. Yeah, you can read everything if you like, but I'm not going to because I've already read it before. And if you're watching this video, you just might want to figure out what to do instead of reading everything. If you really want to get into everything, you can read everything. But I prefer not to if I don't need to. So, party members. It can either be myself or with someone else. I am going with someone else. And am I going to bring any stock? Stock means like, are you bringing horses, mules, a llama? Okay. Come right down. No, sorry. Hit continue. Yeah. This is the map. Alright, so in order to book something, you actually have to zoom in. And we are going to go to the beginning of the Smokies, which is Fontana Dam. And the first shelter I want to stay at is Molly's Ridge. Let's click on that. Availability is through the roof. So what you would want to do is click on something that's green instead of reservation for. But let me show you what you might encounter. Let's say if we go to Spencefield. Now we have some red. I cannot click on this. Pretty much that is full. Okay. Plus all the thru-hikers going through is going to be super full. So you don't even want to choose this as an option to stay at. So let's go back to Molly's Ridge. See, that's where what I originally said. We're going to click on it. Bam. Now, this is fine for one day, for one night. We are going to continue. Do not hit this button right here. Do not hit it. I did it multiple times. This takes you to another screen, and it kind of says that you are done. We are not done. So come back up here, and let's book another place. Let's go to Derek's Knob. Now, we're going to come to April. No, sorry. We're still on March 31st. Click on that. Boom. Got that. Come back up. And from Derek's Knob, let's make it to Mount Collins. Click on there. We're going to be in April now on Sunday. Click this little highlighted one. Boom. Now, each time that we click, you're going to see number of nights and the location. If you need to change it, say I made a mistake, just hit remove, hit OK. Then we're going to come back over here and choose a different location. So, that's 5 days. Now we can actually hit continue with the permit application. Click on that. This is where you need to read everything. Check over your itinerary. Your permit fee is $40. It's actually $20 per person, but I chose 2 people because I'm going to be going with a buddy of mine. We're going to do the whole section. Alright, so we can just verify, make sure that all our dates are correct. We got Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. This is when we're going to finish. Solid. Sounds good. Let's type in our information. And let's go ahead and hit submit application. Okay. Just double check everything. Start trip, end trip. Good. That looks good. That looks good. 2 people in my party. My fee, $40. Okay. This is where you gotta actually have to read something and click away. if you want to go ahead and read everything, you can. I'm just going to go through everything very briefly. Let's pay now. This will take me to another screen. In this area, you can choose to use a credit card, or you can go down and pay with a debit card. So we're going to hit continue. And then you type your email address and submit payment. So let's go into my email account. Okay, it's Gmail. Let's click on this. And I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. So you should get a message from the Great Smoky Mountains backcountry permits. And this is what your permit is going to look like. You can print this out. Just print this. This is going to be your number. And I would just carry all this information on you. But if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down here. I'm here. I've done this before, so ask away. I can help out.